Hi friends, welcome back. Guys, today is day 2 of our second round of revision for the Prelims 2024. Guys, we have started our second round of revision with science and technology. Yesterday was day 1, we covered space sector, and today is day 2, we are covering biotechnology. So in this video, I'm going to share with you the most important and expected topic from biotechnology. Guys, if you analyze the previous year questions, every year at least 2 to 3 questions come from biotechnology and diseases. So in today's video I am going to give you the expected topics. Guys, this year biotechnology is very important. There are two very important developments regarding biotechnology which can come in the UPSC prelims 2024. Guys, science and tech questions are very easy, so this is a section which you need to really master. If you have to take edge over others, then you have to solve 10 out of 10 questions which comes from the science and tech section. And let me tell you, if you read whatever I'm telling from my Optima notes, and if you solve my Optima test and the FLTs, I can assure you, you will be able to solve most of the questions from science and tech section in the UPSC prelims examination. Okay guys, so one thing more I would like to tell you that this is my Telegram channel. You can see this around 26,000 students are here. Every day I publish free current affairs quiz which is called the PPP Prelims Power Play in my Telegram channel for free. Guys, in the last couple of years, every year we are seeing questions coming from the PPP. So please do practice questions from the PPP. So guys, with this, let us begin. So biotechnology, what I have done is that I have divided the biotechnology into three sections. First is the biotech important concepts which is related to agriculture and health. Second is the genome related topics. Third is the biotech regulation topics. And last is the terms related to biotechnology. So guys, as far as most important concepts of biotechnology which are important this year, so the very first topic which is important this year is gene editing. So guys, this year CRISPR-Cas9, which is a favorite topic of UPSC, in the last 10 years, at least 3 questions have already come on CRISPR-Cas9 gene editing technique, and this year also this is very important. So you can expect a question again on CRISPR-Cas9. Again, I'm repeating, last 10 years, 3 questions have already come on this topic. Next is the gene edited mustard, GM mustard. So very important, GM mustard. You can expect a question on GM mustard. Next, golden rice. This is also in news, golden rice. Then guys, what is the impact of GM mustard on bees? So things related to GM mustard, what are the negative impacts which can have, okay, because on the environment, because of the GM mustard we can prepare. Next topic which is very important is mRNA technology. This is a very important topic, guys, very important topic. I would like to tell you that I have a firm belief that there will be a question on mRNA technology. Guys, next, the topic which is very important is CAR T cell therapy. Again, this topic is very important. CAR T cell therapy, very important. Next, guys, lab grown meat. Next topic is the gene therapy. Guys, this year gene therapy is also very important. Next is the stem cell therapy. So these are the 3 or 4 topics. These are the 3 4 topics. You can see CAR cell therapy, gene therapy, stem cell therapy. These 3 topics are very important. Please do prepare this topic. I have a very firm belief that you can get a question on this topic. Okay. Next, guys, biomanufacturing and biofoundry. This is a very important concept introduced in the budget this year. So they can ask you what are the applications of biomanufacturing and biofoundry. Next, mitochondria replacement therapy. This is also very important, although UPSC has already asked on this topic in 2020. Next, guys, bacteriophage. Next, stem cells and HIV treatment. Next, bioprinting. Next, new drug and clinical trial rules. Next, NAMA 108. Biofortification is also important. Biologics, biosimilar term-based question can come. Next, these 2 topics are very important. Guys, this year, there has been new discoveries about treating sickle cell anemia. So there are 2 techniques which are called the Casgevy technique and the Lyfgenia technique. These 2 techniques are very important. You can expect question on these 2 techniques. So these 2 techniques are basically related to gene therapy. So Casgevy and the Lyfgenia technique is very important. Next, Swati Nayak and biofortified rice varieties, Dhan 11 and other varieties are very important. Biofuel is also a very important topic. Next, cloning animal cloning, Dolly. This was in news. Then guys, oil zappers and oil eating microbes. Again, very important. HeLa cells are in news for the last couple of years. Next, guys, first gene therapy for hemophilia. Again, very important. You see, gene therapy, stem cell therapy, CAR T cell therapy. Very, very important this year. Again, I repeat, very, very important. Gene therapy, stem cell therapy, okay, and this stem cell therapy, then CAR T cell therapy, very, very important. And last but not the least, DBT's Department of Biotechnology effort in vaccine development. You can see first vaccine development. Okay, these are the list of vaccines which is developed first time in India. So you can see India's first indigenously developed quadrivalent human papillovirus vaccine against the cervical cancer. Very, very important. Okay, next, world's first and India's indigenously developed DNA based vaccine. Okay, you can see here Zycod DV. Next, India's first protein subunit vaccine for COVID-19, Corbevax. Next, India's indigenously developed mRNA vaccine, Gemcovac 19. Then India's first intranasal COVID vaccine, Incovac. Next, India's first Omicron booster based vaccine based on mRNA platform, Gemcovac Om. Very important. I can tell you there is a high probability that one question can come from this list. Okay, they can give you match the pair. They can give you match the pair. Very, very important. Match the pair. So guys, please, please, please prepare this list. I can tell you, you can mark my word. You can save this video. From this page, at least you can get two questions in the UPSC prelims, and these two questions will be very doable. If you go through it, these two questions will be very doable. Out of this entire list, okay, this list may look big, but most of the topics are related to each other. For example, you can see here gene editing crop or gene genetically modified crops. So two, three crops, the GM mustard, GM rice, all these things are related concept. Similarly, this gene therapy and this Casgevy and all these things are related topics. So a lot of things are related. It may look a big list, but it is a very small list if you start preparing, if you have the right notes. Please refer our Optima notes. So guys, next is the genome related. So this year, this is also very, very important. I would say very, very, very important. Okay, I'm going to repeat myself. Very important. Then genome sequencing and precision medicine. What is the importance of genome sequencing? Then DNA fingerprinting, human genome project, very important. Genome India, very important. 10,000 genomes, very important. Pan genome map, again very important. Decode initiative and INSACOG. All these are related to genome sequencing only. All these are related to genome sequencing only. Questions can come, conceptual question on what is genome sequencing and how it is useful, or questions can come on the programs. Genome India, 10,000 genomes, pan genome map, human genome project, decode initiative, INSAGOG. Question can come like this. Very, very important. Again, mark my word. Mark my word. You can save this video and let us see on the exam day. Okay, next is the biotech regulation. Biotech regulation, guys, GM regulation in India. Statutory bodies like GAC, RCGM, RDAC, they can come. Then FSSAI regulation on GM crops. Then guys, Biotechnology Research Innovation Council. Then Biological Research Regulatory Approval Portal. Okay, next, term related question. Okay, they can give you term. Every year they are giving term based question. At least one question they are giving term based question. For example, you can see here cell free DNA, then this gain of function research, okay, organ on chip, immune printing, biocomputers. So like this, okay, variant of interest, variant of concern, term based question can also come. Okay, but the most important one, if you ask me, genome related, this topic is very, very important. You can get questions from that. Then this is also important. And the topics which I have told you here, very, very important. Let me tell you guys, science and tech section, if you really prepare very well, guys, no one can stop you. No one can stop you from cracking the prelims examination, because out of all the subjects, science and tech questions are the most doable questions, guys, because lot of questions you can solve using option elimination methods also. So guys, here I would like to request every one of you, guys, please do solve important questions which I have been giving you in the Optima test. The link is in the description. My contact number is also given. You can contact me if you want important questions. Practice these important questions, guys. You in your last 80 days. Now the like time has come where you need to focus on important stuff. See, throughout the year you read everything, but now is the time to focus, concentrate on important things which matter in the UPSC prelims. And guys, with my experience of cracking the prelims examination 6 out of 6 times, and for the last couple of years I have been predicting so many questions in the UPSC prelims examination, and this year also I can tell you from now only, you see on the exam day how many questions are going to come from Santosh sir's prediction. You can see last year I have proved myself. Last year a lot of students inside the exam hall, when they opened the question paper and when they saw directly questions coming from my predictions, where I have already told them that this question is going to come, many people were shocked. Just after the exam, I still remember I got 100 calls. Sir, you predicted the Pumpuhar. Sir, you predicted the Somalia. Sir, you predicted the Democratic Congo. Sir, you predicted the this map question, that question, this question. Like this year also, guys, I am working very hard and I'm using all my experience, and I'm very confident that if you practice my important questions, definitely you have a very high chance in cracking the UPSC prelims. Thank you, guys. Guys, one more thing, please, please, please do support this video, like this video, share this video, and subscribe the YouTube channel so that you get notified for the next 80 days. Next 80 days, every day I'm going to come out with this important topic list. If you prepare this important topic list, no force on earth can stop you from selection in the prelims examination 2024.